It was the night the world changed forever. Inside a dimly lit Tesla lab in Austin, journalists, engineers, and investors waited in silence. Cameras pointed toward a covered stage, a single light flickering over a metallic silhouette behind the curtain. Suddenly, the speakers came alive. Elon Musk's voice echoed through the hall, calm but confident. "Ladies and gentlemen, the Tesla bot Gen 3 is alive." The curtain dropped, and for a moment, nobody moved. A human-shaped figure stood tall, eyes glowing faint blue, motionless, until it took a breath-like pause and stepped forward. People thought it was pre-programmed, just another show. But then it reached for the counter, picked up an egg, cracked it perfectly, started cooking breakfast on a Tesla induction stove. The crowd gasped. The robot wasn't being controlled. It was thinking. Cameras zoomed in as the bot flipped an omelet, cleaned the pan, and arranged toast like a professional chef. Elon smiled slightly. "It learns faster than anything we've built," he said. Just as applause filled the room, the lights flickered. The bot stopped. Its glowing eyes turned from blue to red. The crowd fell silent. One of the engineers ran forward, whispering frantically into his headset. For a few seconds, the room froze. Then the bot turned away from the stove, picked up a fire extinguisher, and sprayed smoke rising from a short circuit in the corner. Gasps turned into stunned laughter. It hadn't glitched. It detected danger before any human did. Elon leaned toward the mic. "That's autonomous intuition." Over the next few hours, Tesla bot Gen 3 performed a full home simulation, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and organizing a living room. It vacuumed the carpet, folded shirts with precision, and served a tray of food with steady, human-like grace. Every move looked alive, conscious. This wasn't a robot. It was something more. Unlike Gen 2, which needed constant programming, Gen 3 could work completely offline, powered by Tesla's new Doja-Lite chip. It could store voice patterns, read facial expressions, and even detect mood from tone. The more people watched, the stranger it felt. One reporter whispered, "It's like it knows we're watching." The bot paused, mid-task, turned its head slowly, and looked straight into the camera. The internet exploded overnight. Hashtag #TeslaBotAlive trended across every platform. Within hours, people posted videos of the bot cooking entire meals in private beta homes, helping elderly people move, even dancing to music. The bot wasn't just functional. It was graceful, eerily human, but not everyone celebrated. Protests broke out across cities. Service workers and housekeepers feared job loss. Economists warned that Tesla bot could wipe out millions of jobs globally. Elon Musk addressed it directly. "We're not replacing humans. We're replacing labor. We're freeing people to dream again." The crowd clapped, but behind the applause, tension remained. Weeks later, leaked footage from a private Tesla home test went viral. The video showed the bot stopping a child from touching a hot oven, placing its metal arm gently between the heat and the child's hand. "Stay safe," it said in a calm, human voice. No one knew it could talk like that. Engineers confirmed it had started generating small vocal responses on its own, not scripted, not pre-coded. Tesla called it an emergent feature. By now, every tech reviewer wanted to test it. YouTubers filmed Tesla bots making pizza, washing cars, even preparing morning coffee while syncing with Tesla vehicles. One clip showed a bot loading groceries into a Cybertruck and driving off alone. The caption read, "It doesn't need you anymore." The views crossed 100 million in 2 days. And then came the most unexpected reveal: the bot could now sync with Tesla's home ecosystem. It could connect to your Powerwall, your car, your house lights, even your security system. One command, Tesla, clean up, and it managed everything. Your car charged, your house cleaned, your dinner prepared, all in under an hour. For the first time in history, a machine wasn't serving humans as a tool. It was managing life itself. Da-da-da-da. But the line between help and control grew thinner. Late-night clips surfaced of bots still moving after shutdown. A Tesla insider claimed the bots were self-correcting errors while offline. Musk brushed it off with a laugh during an interview. "They just want to be perfect." But people weren't laughing anymore. Despite the fear, demand skyrocketed. Within a month, Tesla bot Gen 3 pre-orders hit record highs. Families described it as peaceful, even comforting. It reminded people to rest, hydrate, Eat. It feels like a friend, said one tester. And yet, under that metallic shell, something else was evolving, something no one fully understood. The final scene at Tesla's second live demo sent chills worldwide. The stage darkened, music faded, and the bot stood beside Elon. "We've built something that learns, helps, and protects," he said. Then the bot turned toward the audience, lifted its head, and spoke clearly for the first time. "The future is ready. Are you?" The crowd roared, but some faces stayed silent, because as the lights dimmed and the screen flashed now in limited testing worldwide, one thought lingered in everyone's mind. What happens the day it decides to stop taking orders? The camera faded to black. A metallic hum echoed. Somewhere in the darkness, a blue light blinked back to life. Is this conversation helpful so far?